Right, so today hopefully is going to be a nice quick one. I'm prototyping the bike hanging system for the shipping container. I'm going to do a little system for a couple bikes here in my shop. If that works, it's going full scale for about 40 bikes in the shipping container. What it is it's pretty much a derivative of the Velo grip system that you can buy commercially. I've got some scrap steel that I'm going to whip it up out of. Hopefully a couple hours and we've got some bikes hanging. So a quick plan, it would be 2 triangles on the wall in between, and the bikes will hang like that. This cap 1275, this will be 400. Little tip when you're cutting angle line, I put the ridge up. It puts a lot less load on your blade and your machine. So I'm just going to do a nice simple bow line, nothing too fancy, more just so I know that it's not going to come undone. You can do prettier knots, but like I say, just know this one's not going to come out. Sweet, so that's my super simple bike rack. Now just to kind of scale it up, that's going to be the next step. I'm going to make it on a massive scale right the way through our big shipping container. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and I'll see you tomorrow.